All right, so we are going to go over file management. Now, if we look here on the left, like clicking on the little arrow here, the selection tool, we look on the left, we're going to focus on the file manager, open, save, and export files, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click there, and you're presented with these options. I'm going to go ahead and hover over each one so you can know what they are. New session, meaning a new whiteboard session. Open an existing session. Save what you have. Save as. Export. Share a session. So you can share your Canvas with the QR codes, okay? So let's go ahead and just write some work here. All right. We have some work here. Save, or a new session. So before creating a new session, it's going to say, hey, do you want to make sure you save this? So I'm going to click on new session. Would you like to save the existing whiteboard? And you can save and don't save. Keep in mind that if you do decide to save it, you can name it whatever you want. .olf. And of course, save it somewhere you know you can find it again, okay? I'm gonna close that. Go back. Open. But before I open something, again, it's gonna say, would you like to save what you have right now? You could save or not save. But a thing to look at, again, what is the format? .olf, meaning you can only open it with the whiteboard, okay? Next option, just save it. Okay, again, just save. We've been getting the same option over and over, but remember, the reason we've been getting, do you want to save it, give it a name, .olf, is because originally we wanted to start a new session, so I asked you to save. To open up a new session, again, which asks you to save what you currently have. And this is just saying, yeah, I want to save it now, okay? Test demo. And then you just click the OK right there, all right? Let's keep going. Now we have the floppy disk with the pencil on it. Save as. Okay, give it a name. So that's like as if maybe you had this already opened. It's called test. But I want to make maybe another copy of it. So I save as something else. And you put a different name on it. Okay, similar to Word documents. Again, .olf. Now the one I use the most is actually the export. Okay. I don't save in .olf format because I want to make sure that it's accessible everywhere, not just on a whiteboard. So here, give it a name, hello. And here's where I decide, do I want this as a PDF, a picture, JPEG? What I recommend do, and you can also save it to your Google Drive right here. Okay, it's up to you where you want to save it. I would save it to my drive, and I would save as a PDF. And the reason I would do that is because later I can go into my Google Drive, pull it up, save all the work to Google Classroom. For any students that might have missed the lesson, they'll have the slides and they'll have the work that we did in class. Okay, saving file. And then lastly, the QR code. And with Share Session, you can share Canvas pages via QR code. Okay, I don't have a lot of experience doing this, but for our classrooms and for, let's say, distance learning, things of that nature, I think export is the best option. Export your slides and your work to Google Classroom. I think is the best way to go. Okay, thank you very much.